One of the most intriguing abilities our body has is the ability to heal itself. The foundation for this process starts with the cell. Self-reparation and renewal is a role that every cell in the body is able to perform because every cell contains the necessary information for reparation. Stress, wear and tear, bad nutrition, lack of activity, and any sort of abuse creates damage. At the first sign of damage, the healing process begins. This process is so perfect that as soon as one cell dies, the body replaces it instantaneously. Cellular regeneration occurs every second of every day. It's what keeps us alive. That's quite the task when you consider the body is made up of trillions of cells. Yet, it is able to keep track of all the cellular activity that takes place in every single cell. The body is constantly self-scanning itself to measure important items such as the amount of nutrients available, pH levels, water content, sugar levels, and other factors to make sure everything is in order and healthy. If something is out of order, the body immediately sends signals with the information needed to take care of the problem. The body is like the perfect factory. When something isn't working properly, technicians are sent in to quickly diagnose and fix the problem. Unlike a factory, however, diagnosing and fixing problems occurs at amazing speeds. Of course, every effective factory has an effective manager. The manager of our bodies is the brain. The brain is responsible for sending out signals to other parts of the body so that imbalances can be addressed. By producing hormones and using the nervous system, the brain sends neurotransmitters and other molecules to activate the mechanisms that assure cellular function. By doing this, the brain ensures nutrients are properly delivered through the circulatory system and that food is metabolized and digested correctly. This all makes regeneration and reparation at the cellular level possible. The brain is the perfect manager, constantly gathering and evaluating information and sending signals to keep the body in the best possible condition. The body also uses signals to regulate temperature and detoxify. Detoxification removes dead cells, endotoxins, as well as the viruses and bacteria the immune system has killed or neutralized. The immune system mobilizes whenever damage happens to prevent infection and remove damaged cells, including ones that can potentially lead to tumors or cancer. As the immune and other systems, such as the digestive and endocrine systems, are kept in balance, the body is able to constantly heal itself and remain in a healthy state. Another amazing part of our body is the circulatory system, which contains trillions of blood cells. Along with the heart, the circulatory system is constantly working to provide nutrients to remote areas of the body. Without the circulatory system, sustaining life would be impossible. Within the circulatory system, another system exists, known as the lymphatic system. This is the cleanup crew of the body. It removes waste material and toxins, while also providing network routes that work like highways, providing the immune system the ability to navigate through and remove sick cells and disease-causing pathogens. The respiratory system also plays a vital role in keeping our bodies feeling renewed. Oxygen helps clean our interior. Though we're not aware of it, our respiratory system filters and purifies about 5,200 gallons of air every 24 hours. As amazing as our bodies are, there are things that we can do that cause serious imbalance and illness if we're not careful. This includes lack of nutrition, lack of sleep, or having unhealthy attitudes or thoughts. For instance, stress can affect the brain's ability to remember and call upon past experiences. You can imagine how that can affect your health considering the vast number of calculations the brain makes every second. Prolonged periods of stress always promote unhealthy outcomes. Sleep is oftentimes overlooked as well, but is an important biological tool. While we sleep, new neuron connections are made, which are critical for memory creation and retention. During this time, the body also detoxifies, and the lymphatic system creates the highways to transport waste. Over time, if we miss sleep, we can create irreversible damage to our brain and body. Whenever we inflict damage, our bodies will always try to tell us something is wrong. For example, if our diet is poor, we can experience infrequent bowel movements or excessive gas. Eating excess sugar or animal fat will always cause inflammation and make us feel bloated. If we aren't paying attention, however, the damage can go undetected for years. This is why people experience quick and sudden shifts in their health and begin to feel like they're falling apart. Our bodies are truly incredible. Too often, we go about days without realizing the ongoing battle our body is fighting to keep us healthy. Our lifestyle has a tremendous impact on how well it's able to do so. No matter where we may find ourselves, we can start making changes to keep our bodies healthy and aid them in the healing process. Healing can always happen.